Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how you can create your own custom frame inside Adobe Illustrator and use it inside Canva. You may ask, why do I need to create my own custom frame when I can use the one inside Canva? The thing is, you may be doing a design and you search for frame and you did not see any frame you like. So this video is going to be showing you how you can create your own custom frame, import it into Canva, and make use of it. So let's dive in. Okay, so this is my Adobe Illustrator. So what we need to do first is to create new document. And in order for us to do so, we need to come over here, which says create new. So I'm going to click it. Then this pop up. Then we're going to determine the width and height, which already have 1080 by 1080. Then make sure it's on pixel. Then every other thing, you can leave it. Then you come here that says create and you click on it. Okay, so now we're inside Canva. The first thing you need to do is to create your own basic shape. So in doing so, we need to come and access the pen tool. Now that I've accessed the pen tool, I'm going to create, a basic shape. So I've created my own basic shape. So next is for us to import an image that we're going to put inside the shape. So we've imported the image. So I'm going to click and drag this image and bring it to my Canva. Okay, so I'm going to create a new layer, copy, paste in the new layer. So I'm going to click on this paste in place. So that is it. So so the next thing is to put this image inside the frame, inside this particular shape. So let me size the image. So make sure that this image layer is beneath the shape layer. This shape layer. Then you select both of them. Then you right click and you go to make clipping mask. So now the image is inside the shape that you've created. So what do we do next? The next thing is for us to save this particular shape. Then by going to File, click on Save As. Make sure it's on Adobe Illustrator AI. Then select the destination you want to save the file. So I'm going to save it as a Canva frame. Let me just use 00. So I'm going to click Save. This pop up, just click OK. Okay, so now that we have saved our work, the next thing now is for us to access Canva. So we'll be going to Canva. So this is our Canva. So what you need to do is to come over here, which says Upload. You click Upload. You click Upload File. Then the AI file or the Adobe Illustrator file that you save, select it. You click open to upload into Canva. Okay, so now that you have uploaded the frame, now let's make use of it inside our design. So you open any design that you're working on. Okay, so now that we've opened our design, so how do we make use of that frame we just uploaded? To access the frame, we need to come over to here. We need to come over here. Then we need to go to where it says projects. You click on it. Then you click on the project you just uploaded. Then you can click on add as a new page, so that it will create a different page from your normal design page you're using. So this is our frame, and we can now bring it here. Now you can even delete the image, and delete the image and use and put another image inside it. Put on that image inside it. And that is it. You have just created a custom frame using Adobe Illustrator and Canva. If you find this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more design tips, and let me know what you like to see next. See you in the next video.